How to log into United Wholesale Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box, or there type in United Wholesale Mortgage login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, United Wholesale Mortgage. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of remember my username. Likewise, agree with the terms and conditions of it. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on the option of forget password or username to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and with that you will be logged into the account. So this way you can easily log into United Wholesale Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.